Yeah, shoot them niggas out, them niggas in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Cause niggas ain't thinking. You ever know, nigga? So with the flaming, with the be like who I'm blaming. Come and win the game and sit there lame. You ever know they gaming? Stupid niggas out there, niggas always explaining. And come around and they complaining all that dumb ass shit. But they go blind, vent they irritate to make the noise. Bitch a real nigga, hear my voice, get the clue. And niggas show these niggas out and niggas think it's a game. And then they shoot them in their mouth and then they fucking brains. Because they talking well before they fucking start the thing. And then these young ass niggas come around and try to rob the bank. When the hood is with the pistol coming through, I got Shane. And you already know they got the guns to bang, they know me right. Stupid niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Little pistol motherfucker doing little business. I see them niggas only got the illness. So much gangsta shit that's going on, dog. And get them niggas out there looking kinda dumb. Looking stupid kid that we gonna play around with them guns like it's fun, they'll be shut it down. You get the innocent and prospector to go through. And got the little brothers that pot your brains up. Niggas of the niggas, what the fuck they playing with? Niggas of the niggas, unit game, you ain't playing with this. We playing the lyrics, stop the niggas, keep the ball here. Open the niggas, the hood, the skid of this. Let the get the flavor, banging from the water spot. With these sloppy niggas out there, put their insides in the boiler in the parking lot. In the toilet, flash that shit to that flood. Like on the top of the niggas out there, get them. Shoot them niggas in the mouth and in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Niggas keep they do shoot them niggas out. They shoot them niggas in their brains and aim them in their mouth. Them niggas say they like the word they do, know they talking about. They get their ass, get their tied up in their death route. They look at the piss in the back of the gate with the niggas they came through. Look at the niggas, they look at their brother, their prince with their brother for your friends. And the fools coming around with the pussy and niggas they try to chase. And I'm kinda there at the prince. I could been a king, but that's pistol, son. This shit stink, nigga. Nah, not really. Daughter, just to respect for the family. The whole gang, young, the MOB, they know the thing. Unit gang, they be the laugh of the nigga, the hood, they watch with the drive. Look at these pussy ass niggas in the pocket a lot, nigga. They solid to survive, and they scared, son. Will we ride by it in the whip? It with the red in the hood, the see with the window, they all just tinted. And then look at the nigga, they bought them to spend it. Look at the niggas is out there, son. Then look at the tenant, we been in it. Look at the niggas out here, then look at the fitness. You see with the nigga, the pistol, that's my nigga right there. There's the right hand, and then my left man. You already knew the left and the nigga, the death. You would see John, and ain't no game we playing. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and in their brain. Lil Pistol, the motherfucking killer clown. See what the niggas come round. You see me young, I'm burning the playground. They literally like a frown. Motherfucker, you thought it was a game. See what the niggas come around the way. Ain't thought they all use their brains. They coming around with winter, they coming around with the doctor the same. They need to see what the doctors coming around young, you so with the flame. Hey yo, there ain't no friends young that around here, except for the unit game that my family young. You already see we just don't care. And no one else know what betray this, though outsiders, the latest in they haters, on the doubters, they coming into with the flameless, they coming on fire, still with the tip of the round. The niggas they coming around the game to see with the niggas in the hood, they hear them evil sounds, then they people they stay around and just they lay on the ground. They with the flat, see with the niggas they coming in like a trick. I rap it out the hat, but instead we pull out the strap out of the dat, yeah with the black, coming in brown with the nigga with no vest. They coming nothing young but take their chest, coming around when you think with the game young, you throw with the less. Hold up young, then point they at them, they nigga they get you scared. They look, they cook the brown with the look of the pistol back at the kid. So with the nigga they know me young, I call for the dead. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brains. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Lil Pistol, Mickey T coming down. I'm coming back to return them look in the ground, nigga, live with the price. And so in this life, the nigga in the hood, they talking they change. And there's a bunch of conflicts. Don't you ever can't compare the good days to now, son. And come with the clips, you know with the guns and what with the quip. Come on the dog with the ride different whips. Nigga, they know with the rats will be with it. The nigga didn't know the freestyle unit got to a whisper raid. They said we ain't marching and we just gonna bust you down with a big grenade. Yeah, what they see with their monsters on you, see with the Martians coming in. They're from another planet. Cause yo, we know the unit game, son, we stay in it. The niggas they spin it. But look at that nigga Lil Pistol, that nigga the sergeant, the lieutenant. Yeah, all types of label. You already know 10-star gangster. You already know in the hood sign, play with you if you want, but 10 if you want. Come on, dog, with your little car, son, with your little filled with wanksters. That you ain't gonna put in that work. Pussy ass nigga, you already know what the beat like. Put them in the game, dog, and burn them like dirt. Hold up, gun, yeah, get a pistol. You already know what the beat like. Gun in the game with the gun all night. I already know what the best thing I choose the gun in the game where I run on the side. That's my best thing that I rap. Look at the niggas, they kicking the ground. And they looking and shaking and looking at me, young, like I'm reading the book, young. Because I don't give a damn, and it's hard it is. So the end, it's like when these niggas come around the way, said Lil Pistol rap that Jesus Christ. Come on, dog, never that. Come on, brown son, cause I'm going hell when I lay on my back. So what the fuck is the point? Yeah, nigga, this is trying to spit fat. Come on, dogs, you already know how I be. Little niggas in the hood, they put me up like slacks. They coming up like information, trying to get me caught up in a lockdown situation. In the hood, you already know in the game, son, ain't no visitation, ain't no vacation that I take. Little niggas in the hood, young, you already know. Where my girl Catherine go, you already know she never gonna come back. Coming around the game, new games, from the dog, and I burn over like a match. They coming around, you see what I say with the propane. I go again, look at the brain, and just pull up with the flames, nigga, I do it, man. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Shoot them niggas in their mouth and then they brain. Nigga, Queen Killer, you know what, coming running.